Getting my shorts all wet for you. Hey, Suds Buds. Thanks for watching. Got 3 tubular ways to lather up some tubular shave cream, brah. Today, it's some Arco Hydrate in a tube. If you haven't tried this, I got this at the Shave Mercantile. Link for them in the description. Small shave shop, online presence out of Tennessee. Howdy, Tennessee. Anywho, there's 3 ways to do this. 3 that I know of. You probably might know of 5, 6, 7 of them. But if I miss one, let me know. If I do one wrong, keep it to yourself. Just kidding. I don't care what you say. I can handle it. I'm a big boy in a Hawaiian shirt. Melakaliki maka, y'all. The first one that I like, you take this, right? You got this tube here, and you just put a little bit on your finger. There. Now, like that. It's called the face lather because you put it on your face. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot because the next thing that you're gonna do is grab that brush you've been soaking. Can you see the steam coming off of that? That's some hot water. Just gonna shake it a little bit. I don't know why I'm whispering. You want a good bit of water in there because, yeah. Now we're gonna just do some lathering on the face. Let me see. I need my mirror. Good thing my shorts are quick dry because I'm getting my shorts all wet for you. Good bit of lather. Probably should have done this one last because it's the only one that requires me to actually lather on my face. Got my razor. Might as well just try and shave it, huh? It's fine. Yeah, definitely should have done that one third. Let me rinse off my face. Well, you don't have to let me. I'm gonna do it. That's pretty nice. My wife hates the smell. Number 2 way to lather up some tubular tube shave cream like this Arco that we've been talking about thus far. And to kind of go into detail, this is a hydrate. So it's just supposed to help rehydrate your skin, I think. I don't know. I like the smell. It's mild, but it's nice. It's got a little soapy scent to it. Little smidge of menthol. And all right, number two, and I saw this from a video from back in the day from Nick Shaves, if you've ever watched his videos. So we're gonna take this guy, right? Got this. And we're just gonna put just a little bit in there, like a pea size, not pee in it. Don't pee on your brush. Okay, and I'm using a synthetic brush here. And you can just kind of, let me see, I do something wild. So we have the pea size in there. Brush is wet, and then you can just kind of lather it up. See the bubbles? Oh yeah, look at that. In like, I don't know, a year, we got some pretty good lather there. I'd shave with that. Would you? Let me know in the comments. Okie dokie. Now, the third way is much like the second way, where we're using the same tubular shave cream, but instead of putting it in our brush, we are gonna put it in our scuttle. This guy. The whole bowl. The bowl, the mug, the thing you soak your brush in. And for that, see, you just need to put, again, just a little bit. That's almost too much. That's going to be too much. And you take your brush, and you just start swirling around. I don't really have a preferred method. Sometimes I just change it up to keep it interesting on my brain. It's like Sudoku. Sudoku. But this is getting kind of frothy. And again, I think I did put too much shave cream in there. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. So we're gonna just have a huge big old batch of yummy lather that you shouldn't eat. Ugh, my arm's tired. But yeah. Look at that. Just look at it. It's beautiful. Don't eat it. Don't eat it, Greg. There's a fourth bonus way to use shave cream. Tubular. You know, in a tube. That's the Cremo. Cremo requires no brush. Or it says that you shouldn't. You don't need one. You just put it on your face. And then you shave it off. Now, if you ever use this tube cream stuff, is there other tube creams out there? I've seen like Derby. I think that's kind of fun. I'd like to try that. I think I have some blades of theirs somewhere, but I don't use those. As most of y'all know, I use the Astra Superior Platinums. They are the dank sneeze, and they are easy peasy on the facey easy. That doesn't make any sense. Full disclosure on this video, the only reason I'm making this video is so that I can say tubular bra over and over and over and over and over again. I just wanted to add one more thing about that Arco tubular bra shave cream. You probably think it's like buku dollars, super expensive, and it's not. It's $4.99. $4.99. And it'll probably last you, can't say forever, but it could. And the nice part about it is, it's great for traveling. It's great for, let's say you don't use it very often. Maybe you don't shave very often. That's a really good thing to do because, hold on, look at this. It's got this lid on it, right? And the neat thing about that lid is that seals the moisture that's already in here so that it lasts almost forever. Maybe not forever, but for a good long while. So appreciate you watching. I'll see you soon, and I hope you have a wonderful shave. Thanks. Tubular shave cream bra. Whoa.